Okay. And in this, I'm just going to see if I can zoom in a lot more here. There we go. I'm going to say the letters. I'm going to say the movement marks, the diacritic, the movements, the fatha, and then I'm going to say the saghira vowel on top of it, and we will go from there. Okay? So, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Ba fatha alif saghira ba. Ya fatha alif saghira ya. Ra fatha alif saghira ra. Mim fatha alif saghira ma. Lam fatha alif saghira la. واو فتحة ألف صغيرة و. نون فتحة ألف صغيرة نا. همزة فتحة ألف صغيرة آ. Okay. Before we go any further, I want you to also remember in the previous few exercises, I had been reminding you of the 6 throat letters and that you should memorize those. And I keep repeating them over and over, and I'll repeat them again right now. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. The 6 throat letters. Whoops. The 6 throat letters. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, and ghain, kha. Hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. But I want you to also remember the next another set of letters that I'm going to tell you right now, which is ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. This is the first introduction. If you don't memorize them immediately, don't worry. But ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. This is a collection of letters that are called idgham letters. And don't worry if you don't know what that means. We'll worry about that later. But just like I want you to memorize the throat letters, I want you to memorize these letters as well. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Yarmaloon is the mnemonic that'll help you remember this. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. Yarmaloon. Ya, ra, mim, lam, waw, noon. The reason I want you to remember these is because these are the letters of idgham. And when we go into idgham later, it's going to be an advanced lesson. It's going to be a lot later. We will cover this in more detail. But just like I wanted you to remember Hamza, Ha, Ain, Ha, Ghain, Kha, I want you to try to remember Ya, Ra, Mim, Lam, Waw, Noon, or Yarmaloon. And inshallah, I will keep repeating this one over and over again. I hope you have the 6 throat letters memorized by now. Inshallah, I hope in the future you will have the idgham letters memorized as well. So I stopped at Hamza. I'm going to move on. ها فتحة ألف صغيرة ها. عين فتحة ألف صغيرة ع. excuse me. حا فتحة ألف صغيرة حا. غين فتحة ألف صغيرة غا. خا فتحة ألف صغيرة خا. تا فتحة ألف صغيرة تا. ثا فتحة ألف صغيرة ثا. جيم فتحة ألف صغيرة جا. دال فتحة ألف صغيرة دا. ذال فتحة ألف صغيرة ذا. زا فتحة ألف صغيرة زا. سين فتحة ألف صغيرة سا. شين فتحة ألف صغيرة شا. صاد فتحة ألف صغيرة صا. ضاد فتحة ألف صغيرة ضا. طا فتحة ألف صغيرة طا. ضا فتحة ألف صغيرة ضا. ثا فتحة ألف صغيرة ثا. قاف فتحة ألف صغيرة قا. كاف فتحة ألف صغيرة كا. Next we have the Ya صغيرة, which is همزة كسرة يا صغيرة إي. ها كسرة يا صغيرة هي. Wow, and oh, by the way, just like because it's a kasra, you have to say I, but because of the ya saghira, you have to extend it to 2 movements. So, hamza kasra ya saghira I. Just like we were extending the fatha to 2 movements because of the alif saghira, da fatha alif saghira da. In this case, because it's a kasra and a ya saghira after it, we have to extend it to 2 movements. So, همزة كسرة يا صغيرة إي. ها كسرة يا صغيرة هي. Okay, that's the hamza صغيرة يا hamza كسرة يا صغيرة, and the ha كسرة يا صغيرة. So the ya صغيرة extends the kasra sound to equivalent to 2. And the next we have the waw صغيرة. So next we have waw ضمة waw صغيرة woo. So because of this waw صغيرة, we're going to extend this ضمة to equivalent to 2 movements. So we're going to say waw ضمة waw صغيرة woo. ها ضمة واو صغيرة هو. همزة ضمة واو صغيرة أو. So this hamza with the dhamma and the waw صغيرة, this dhamma, if there was no waw صغيرة, it would be hamza dhamma u. But because of this waw صغيرة, we have to extend it to 2 movements. So we have to say hamza dhamma waw صغيرة u. So that's a quick exercise on how to do the and this is the Qaida Nooraniya exercise. I will upload it as part of this video later on. I will upload these exercise pages as part of this video. Inshallah, you can refer to those on your own.